loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Lollyhair. So the hair came with all of these gifts. So if you will be purchasing this hair, you will receive some of these gifts. So this is the hair before I actually styled it. This is how it actually came. So I decided to just curl the hair onto the mannequin before I even install it. So I'm gonna go in with my got to be styling gel, just so I can push back my edges so that they cannot get damaged by the glue. And then I'm gonna go in with my wig cap. This is just to secure the hair so that it doesn't bother me when I am wearing my wig, obviously. So I'm gonna go in with the, what is this called, bold hold glue. I'm just gonna go in with 2 layers of this glue because I will be taking off this hair after I'm done shooting. So yeah, so when I am applying my glue, I usually let it dry clear before I apply another layer of my glue so that it will not give me a wet residue. So now I'm gonna pop the hair onto my head and measure it. This was very fast because I've already prepped the hair, so it was very easy for me to just place the wig or the lace onto the part where the glue is. And also I did a video of this hair. This is the second video. The first video got crashed, so this is the second video. This is why that's why I really didn't cut the lace. This is why the lace is already removed. So I'm gonna go in with on the corners. The corners are very important and they're very stubborn, so I'm just gonna go in with the glue on my corners so that I make sure that the corners are sticked. And if you've been following me for quite some time, you know that every time when I lay my wig, I always make sure that I go in with the comb on my lace so that the lace is going to melt on the scalp. Well, I did these curls a day before this video, and honestly I was not impressed with how the curls actually came out, but I decided to just go in with a curler at the front so that I can just bring back the curls. But at the end I really did like the curls, but if I was going somewhere, the curls wouldn't have lasted me anyhow. When I did the first video on this hair, I straightened the hair, but I wanted to just try something different. And also this is a body wave, so I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks like and how it looks like when it's actually curls. So now, as you can see, I did my curls off camera. That's because the lighting that I'm using is using the same adapter as my curler, so I had to curl my hair off camera. But I really loved how these curls actually came out. When you are curling your hair, you must always make sure that you always use a holding spray for your curls if you really want them to last you. At this point I really didn't show you guys, but I did use a holding spray from Tresemme to hold my curls. And yeah, this is the final look. If you really did enjoy this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. And also thank you so much to Lollyhair for sponsoring this video. The hair is amazing. The texture is just so soft, it really doesn't tangle. And also the what is this called, and also the breaking of the hair is really not that much. The shading of the hair is not that much. Obviously hair is gonna shade, but with this hair I really didn't struggle. Like yeah, like it's really soft, and also I love this ginger color on my skin tone. I feel like it really suits me. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much Lollyhair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys, bye.
Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh, so good.